During a hearing test, background chatter and phone calls keep distracting you, and you can barely hear the test tones. Sound familiar? When picking a hearing center, audiologists aren't the only thing that matters. A noisy environment ruins the test, no matter how skilled your audiologist is. Our dedicated soundproof booth is tailor-made for hearing assessments with professional acoustic design and simulated scenarios. Quiet, well-ventilated and comfortable, it benefits both patients and practitioners.